everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of Klondike Adventure game on your device. First of all, launch open the Klondike Adventure application on your device, and once you're inside this home page, go ahead and click on the gear icon on the right corner. Once you come across this pop-up menu, go to the top and click Account. Inside Account, you'll see a sign out button appearing. Tap on that in order to log out of your account. And there you have it. You have successfully logged out of Klondike Adventure. Just make sure your progress is linked to Google or Game Center before logging out so nothing gets lost. Now, you have successfully logged out of Klondike Adventure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.